Good morning, everybody. I am still sick, so that's awesome. Today we are going to Aachen. We're going to meet up with the rest of the exchange students, and I think it's just kind of like a how things are going meeting thing, just so you know what's going on.
Look who it is! Hi!
Hey guys.
We really out here right now in Aachen, Germany.
Yes. It's so pretty here. I'm here for the first time too.
Really?
Yes.
You've never been to Aachen?
No.
The devil came and tried to get inside, but they slammed the door shut on his thumb. On the left side, there's nothing.
Oh, the devil's thumb.
Yeah, and on the right side, you can feel his thumb is still there from when they slammed his thumb in the door.
Good thing I got my two tourists here with me. Hallo Leute, bis jetzt bin ich Spinach. So, das ist die Innenstadt. Was denkst du?
Wunderschön.
Wunderschön.
Yeah, okay, it's filming.
Yeah.
Filming.
It's recording. Oh my god.
It's the same.
Okay, today we are at a party.
Oh, thank you. We're at a birthday party right now, and some of the people here have seen my videos, and they wanted to be in the next video, so this is what this all is.
Oh, it's voll dunkel. Ja, you're black, so we can't see you.
Hey, ich bin jetzt YouTuber. Ja? Oder? What do you say?
Ja, moin.
What do you say about this?
About what?
I don't know.
YouTube-Kanal.
Mein YouTube-Kanal.
Hat 55.
Ja!
Gib noch ein.
YouTube.
Today we met Kendrick Lamar.
That is Fabio. It's his birthday tonight.
Hallo?
Sagt hello.
Ey, sag mal Hallo, ihr Wichser.
Alaska is nice.
Hallo?
That's great. That's awesome.
I think it's awesome too, yes.
We are here in Germany, and this is a cool land.
Will jemand was nach Alaska sagen? Das ist von irgendeinem Alten aus Alaska.
Schmeckt nach Fisch.
Nach Fisch? Nee, alles hallo.
Hallo.
Sag mal was. Ich habe keine Ahnung. Ich soll einfach das Ding hier unten.
Wenn man Seeland vergewaltigt, warten 10 Jahre Knast auf einen.
Greetings from Germany, man. Hey, greetings from Canada. Alaska, sorry. How are you?
Very good.
Very good. What's your name?
Svenja.
Svenja what?
Münster.
That's no English name. Hello, who are you?
I'm Vivian.
Vivian what? Peters. That's very German, yes. So, what's your name? Steffen. Steffen what? Eichler. What? Excuse me. Mr. Boston. I would like to have an interview. So, what's your name first of all?
My name is Philip. Hi.
Philip what?
My name is Philip Boston. Hi.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Germany what?
Yeah, from Kaltenkirchen.
Kaltenkirchen.
Yes.
It's Malte, German soldier, Malte. Stand for your pride. Hey, Nils, Interview. Pass auf, halt mal die Hand hin, Ich schüttel Hand dann mit der Kamera. Mach mal mehr mit Licht. Alter, here we have another German soldier. Hey, who are you? What's your name?
I am Philipp Diederis.
Philipp Diederis. So first of all, give a German handshake. Wow, that's very German. What is your eye color?
Blue-gray.
Oh, bad example. Cut the tape, cut the tape. Don't put this into your video. Otherwise you all Nazis at all again. No.
And who is this on your background picture?
Yeah, this is my father and my sister. In Germany we are very direct.
Very.
Look at him. He once go to prison because of insulting too many people. Bye guys, see you tomorrow. No, for real, I'm going to do a nice outro. So guys, that was it from the Fabio's birthday party special. See you soon.
The morning after.
Is it recording? Yes, it is! Ishas, go watch the egg station. Water is beginning to cook. That's very cool. Oh my gosh! We will cook these eggs. Watch that beautiful garden. So I'll present it to you. There is that wonderful Palme, beach look, stuff like that. Ich hab Angst. Wie süß. Hey. Hi.
We are on a little walk today in this really pretty forest actually, and there's like a little animal thing, like, I don't know, there's just some animals over here. I'm not sure if it's a farm or what, but yeah, just checking it out today. Oh! Hi! Hallo! Was?
Die Kamera.
Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh. Oh, wie süß. Alrighty, it is now the next day. I think I'm just gonna do the outro for the video now. I just went for a 45-minute run. It was the first time I have exercised, really, since I got here. I don't know, when I woke up this morning, I just told myself that I really wanted to go for a run, so I did. That's why I look like a little tomato right now, because it's so hot. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Tomorrow is Friday, and we have a day off from school, so we might be going to Dusseldorf. Not sure exactly what our plans are, but that'll be in the next video. Yeah, as always, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment something nice, maybe. And yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, don't usually do outros like that, but at some point I probably should, so see you next time.